friends. So something that everyone has is a binder that looks like this. You might have a different color, but everybody has a binder. And in this binder, you're going to find a few things. So when you open it up, you're going to see that it says My Fine Motor Journal. And that just means things you're going to do with your fingers. There's two things right here, which we're going to use a little bit later. But if you open it up, you'll see some pages, with dotted names. It'll have your name dotted and then your name at the top. It'll have a little empty person, dotted your last name and your whole name, dotted names here, and then the same thing right here. So today we're just going to practice on the very first page. And it's going to look like this, but it's going to say whatever your name is. At the top, you are going to practice writing your name, and you're going to use a dry erase marker. You have two little skinny black markers in the pencil pouch you got, and I gave you 3 of them too. So what you're going to do is you're going to carefully make those letters, just like I'm doing here for this person, all the way across. Carefully. And then you have it right here too. Now instead of trying to write in the lines like you did here, you're going to try and trace right on top of those dotted lines. And see how I'm not going very fast. I'm not rushing. I want to make sure that I take my time and that this is my very best work. And like a lot of things this week, I just want you to practice this on your own, and then in a few days I'm going to ask to start seeing your work. So you have it all nice and neat. You're going to do all of those. And then something that's really important is that you always need to erase this when you're done. Because if you don't erase this at the end of every time you use it, it's a lot harder to get those words off. So I'm going to use a tissue. You could use a tissue, or if you ask someone at home if they have an old sock that they don't want anymore, you could use that. But all you're going to do is you're going to carefully wipe it off. And then it's like brand new. And that way you can practice writing your name again. So like I said, I want you to practice on the very first page. It has your name in bubble letters at the top, and then 3 lines where your name is written dotted. If you feel really excited about this, you could even try to write your name down here on your own.